Hey everyone, today I am here with the recipe of a very creamy, flavorful coconut fish curry. So come, let's cook. First switch on the flame and add the fish pieces to the pot. After adding the fish pieces, now we are going to add the slitted chilies. I have taken about 7 chilies and a small piece of ginger which is cut into fine small pieces. Now take half piece of raw mango which is thinly sliced, and now we are going to add the main ingredient, that is the paste of 1 cup of grated coconut, 1 tomato, 1 onion and a half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now add the soaked fish tamarind. I have taken about 2 fish tamarind to it, and add about 1.5 cup to 2 cup of water. You can adjust the quantity of water according to the thickness you prefer for the curry. So basically just mix it well. Now add salt as per taste and add about half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well, close the lid, and when the fish curry starts to boil, you can just lower the flame and allow the fish to get cooked. So the fish is totally cooked, and now we are going to add about half teaspoon of chili powder and about 1 bowl of coconut milk, and just switch off the flame and add some curry leaves. After this we are going to add the tadka, that is of some coconut oil, some curry leaves and some mustard seed. So here the tasty creamy coconut fish curry is ready, which is very easy to make and which very well goes with every dish. Hope you liked the video.